Are you intrigued by the world of real estate? Do you find yourself adept at managing properties and forging strong relationships with people? As a property manager, you're at the heart of the real estate world, bridging the gap between property owners and tenants. And whether you're an industry veteran or a bright-eyed newcomer, Canada provides a vast landscape of opportunities in this domain. Welcome back, Loopers. I'm your host, Andrew Chung. In this video, we'll offer tips on becoming a property manager in Canada. Here are some of the advantages and rewards that make a career in property management a compelling and fulfilling profession. A career in property management offers advantages and rewards like diverse job responsibilities, building professional relationships, community impact, and flexibility in career path. Other advantages and rewards include independence and entrepreneurship, constant learning and growth, job stability and demand, and competitive earning potential. When setting your sights on becoming a property manager in Canada, it's crucial to understand the skill, education, certification, and licensing requirements specific to your chosen province or territory. The role of a property manager is multifaceted. Here are some key skills you should possess or develop. Excellent verbal and written communication, organization and multitasking abilities, customer service, empathy and adaptability, legal knowledge, financial management and tech savviness, and many more. Now, let's discuss your educational journey. You've got options. Number 1. Many colleges and universities in Canada offer degrees in property management, real estate, or business administration. Number 2. Think about joining institutions like the Real Estate Institute of Canada and the Institute of Real Estate Management. They offer certifications like the Certified Property Manager or CPM and the Accredited Residential Manager or ARM. Number 3. Stay updated with continuing education. Attend workshops, webinars, and online courses. Number 4. Consider niches such as commercial property management or luxury residential properties. Number 5. Entry-level positions like an assistant property manager can be your stepping stone. Don't forget about internships and apprenticeships as well as networking and mentorship. Also, as you gain experience and complete projects, consider creating a portfolio showcasing your achievements. Now, let's talk about licensing requirements for property managers in Canada. Licensing varies by province, but it's essential. In areas like British Columbia, Alberta, and Ontario, a real estate license is mandatory for property managers. Ensure you complete the required courses and pass the licensing exam. Then there's property management certification. These certifications, like the Certified Property Manager, Accredited Residential Manager, and the Certified Apartment Manager, can elevate your market presence. As the Canadian real estate market continues to flourish, the demand for property managers is skyrocketing. Let's break down some key reasons. Growing rental market. There's been a noticeable uptick in the rental market in Canada. Factors such as population growth, urbanization, and the rise of the gig economy are pushing the demand for rental properties. So, more rentals mean a greater need for property managers. Property ownership trends. With more people venturing into property investments, there's a rising demand for expert property managers. These professionals ensure everything from tenant screening to lease agreements is handled with precision. Complexity of property management. It's not just about collecting rent anymore. Today's property managers are ensuring compliance with evolving regulations, catering to diverse tenant needs, and facing numerous property-related challenges. Increasing awareness of professional management. Professional property management isn't just a luxury, it's becoming a necessity. It translates to better property performance, increased tenant satisfaction, and ultimately enhanced property value. Niche market opportunities. With the growth of specialized property sectors for specialized property managers for short-term rentals, vacation properties, and student housing, niche markets are booming. Regional variation. Now, big cities like Toronto, Vancouver, and Montreal might seem like the hubs for property managers, but don't overlook smaller towns and suburbs. Now let's switch gears and talk about tech savviness in property management. Technology is reshaping property management. From property management software like DoorLoop to online payment systems, it's changing the game. Imagine automating tasks such as tenant screening, rent collection, maintenance requests, and more. Time saved is money earned. So if you're looking to become a property manager in Canada, it's a boon to stay on top of technological developments. And if you'd like to learn more about DoorLoop's property management software, schedule your free demo today and discover everything that DoorLoop has to offer. Click on the link in the description below. Becoming a property manager might seem daunting, but with the right approach and tools, it can be an incredibly rewarding journey. Well, that's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so we can get this information to more real estate professionals. If you want to join a community with other real estate professionals, join our exclusive Facebook community with a link in the description. And to learn more about property management tips, click this playlist here. We'll see you there.